Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:29 p.m. July 1st, 2021, Thursday. Happy birthday to my father. Hope he has a good one. And I want to continue with the good stuff. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Yes, we had another day of a little bit of a melt up. SPY closing at highs, 2244 all-time highs. NASDAQ at 1843. Dow up 131. Just the markets were kind of just melting up. And, low volume. We have July 4th weekend coming up, but there's still some setups involved here. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. I'm just going to say that right now. Hopefully it does not get included in the video. Today went pretty well. I actually had to leave for a couple hours midday, so I didn't trade just after lunch. Got back around 3 o'clock, traded the last hour, and actually did not even take a trade. So here's my day. I actually started up $115 in the green, went down to about 20 in the green, and then shot back up to 108. So I pretty much closed out where I started my day. XPEV, it's not a tough trader, but it had so much volume coming in, good news coming in. I thought it was going to continue higher. The daily breakout looked really good. I think they just sold it off. And unfortunately, I got in at the wrong time, and I lost a few bucks on that one. MRIN, what can we say about this one? It went from $12 today all the way up to about $19.95. I missed the big flush up, and then I could have taken this one. I missed this one, and I kind of just messed around with it and got stupid, and it was just so quick. It's one of those stocks, 158 million. Why did I mess with it? Oh well. Yeah, I lost $55 on that one. APO was a quick news play that just never took off. Got a little bit of volume right here on this candle. I believe it was this candle. It wasn't even enough. It was really like, oh shoot, why did I get in this trade? That's the type of thing we have to be so decisive right at the last second. And it didn't move at all. Volume was okay. It wasn't like it was like a thin stock or anything like that. I liked the price point. It was at $60, $62 ish, and it actually went up. So it worked, but over the long run, but it did not work when I was in the trade. Wish was a quick news trade that didn't do anything. DIDI, I saw some suspect action on the tape and got in, got out. Dropbox was a news play, got in, got out. Tilray was a miss on a news event here, but I actually traded on a news event earlier. This news event was really nice and allowed allowed cannabis apps to be allowed in the Apple Store or something like that. I'm not exactly sure of the news, but I could have had it like 1785 or so, and then it went way up to 1819. Just a nice move. Tilray is a tough trader too. You have to trade with some sides because it only moves lately. I mean, back in these days, it was moving really quick with tons of volume. And then now it's kind of like, 10 cents, 15 cents is a pretty good move for it, even though it was down 32 cents today. Good news on a down day is it can be tough because it can come slamming back on you. So I'll take the $7. NTLA, which is the most violent stock I've seen in a while. The call out was here, the break of 170, I believe 172. And it actually shot up to 174. I actually only took it with 25 shares. I was like, whoa, why am I trading this thing? And I got in, and guess what? Got out. Donuts, right? We got the Krispy Kreme donuts. Plenty of great setups on this thing today. I only traded the early move on this breakout here through the 19 level. And I caught a piece. It pulled back, and guess what? It went all the way up to 21. And it's trading pretty good in after hours. I think it's trading at 21. Well, I can do this real quick. It got up to 21. 92. So a big mover on Krispy Kreme. I think they were a public stock and then they went private and now they're public again. I don't know how that all worked. Go figure, right? Tesla was a news event. I got a small piece on that one. I'm not sure. I forgot what time it was. I think it was down on the day. It was down on the day, but I think it was further down on the day than it is now. No, it was around this pop here. So it's trying to move up. India was going to buy, or Tesla was going to sell cars to India, customers in India. So I thought, a lot of people there. Why not? Got a quick pop on that one. I'll take it. Moxie, we've mentioned this in the past. I've had like 7 good trades in it and 1 bad in it. Broke out through the 23.50 level here, and I was able to just get in and get the heck out. Avoided any whip. I thought I had the high. It was at 23.89 on this candle here. But it was 23. It then eventually went up to 23.99. But look how far down it pulled down. It pulled down to 23. So I lucky got out, and then it moved up. So that was a pretty good trade on that. WNW, I believe, was an early morning trade. Yeah, through 9. This one I was in for 300 shares and got out like 910, 920, but it eventually ran up to 980. So I'm missing the bigger moves in a lot of these things. I wouldn't call it spinning the wheels, but it's not allowing me to catch the bigger move, especially with the share size I'm using, which is kind of minimal. If you notice my trades, unless I'm down pretty big on 1 or 2 stocks or up big on 1 or 2 stocks, I'm averaging very minimal share size. And that's why I see 64 as my biggest loser and 87 as my biggest winner. Sometimes I get bigger winners because of a news play or something like that, or a big loser because I get stupid. But overall, 108 for the day. Close out July 1st on a good note. And I'll take that and go into tomorrow, which I expect to be pretty slow. Markets will kind of fizzle into the weekend, and Monday the markets are closed. I finally figured that out yesterday after I announced that in the video. So I'm going to play light. I'll play in the morning most likely, maybe even take the afternoon off. We'll see how it goes, but I'll keep you posted on all that. Have a good one. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment. I appreciate all the comments lately. I'm trying to help you guys out. Help me out. If you see something on my charts or something that looks funky, ask me about it. Maybe I can help you. Maybe you can help me. All right. Have a good night.